Hi, I'm Tim Melcher with RFHIC US Corporation, and welcome to the IMS 2024 RFHIC booth. Today, I would like to discuss our newly developed 80-watt GaN antenna solution that RFHIC has developed. Here, we have the amplifier itself alongside the driver, the main drive, and the circulator all combined into one perfect package. This new 80-watt solution has several important advantages for telecom amplifiers. It has a reduced design footprint, it is cost savings, and the main form factor will maintain the same for various frequencies. The driver section is composed of SMD type SDM series with high power gain characteristics and approximately 80 watts peak power performance configured with GaN components in a two-stage cascade. The SDM series is designed to provide the same form factor and pinouts for various frequency bands. Traditionally, to achieve the 800 watt peak power, two separate 300 watt and 500 watt transistors were combined in a Doherty structure. Newly developed GaN solutions through the collaboration with RFHIC's subsidiary RF Materials has developed an 800 watt performance in one package by applying a new base material. It is configured within a design footprint of 41.5 by 71.7 millimeters, making it easily utilized in spaces previously used for 40 watts can now be used for 80 watts. The demo setup you now see has been constructed through collaboration between MaxLinear's DPD, Roden Schwartz, and RFHIC. The evaluation board under test is designed by RFHIC with the drive section and main section interstage matched, including the circulator. This new 80-watt solution applying the SDM series drive and main transistor with this new base material achieves a high power gain of 58 dB and 50% efficiency performance. The newly developed solution at RFHIC will provide designers with many advantages in terms of price, scalability, and design implementation. Thank you so much for visiting RFHIC's IMS 2024 booth and witness many of our various lineups at www.rfhic.com. And thank you.